Hi everyone, welcome to SEO Space. You're watching this video because the SEO title length that SEO Space's plugin that is flagging up is different to the length that you've added into your page's settings. For example, as you can see here, the SEO title that's been flagged on this page is 69 characters long. However, when I actually go into the page's settings, you can see that the SEO title that I've added is a different length. So you're watching this because you're probably a little bit frustrated. You're like, hey guys, SEO Space is flagging a different SEO title length that I've added in. There must be something wrong with SEO Space. Well, this video is actually walking you through how to solve that because it's actually a thing to do with Squarespace's settings. Because as you can see here, this is the SEO title that I've added in or the one that you've added in. But actually, when you look at the SEO title that is going to display on search results, you can actually see that Squarespace is adding this little bit at the end. And this is the bit that is making your SEO title too long. So SEO Space's plugin is actually correct because as you can see here, it's showing that little snippet that is there. And what this little snippet, what this little bit of text is actually your site title. Your site title is this little bit of text that shows up in search results pages, and Squarespace by default actually adds that to the end of every page's SEO title. Now, if you've never edited your site title before, if you go into the Squarespace editor and click Edit Site Header, click on the logo at the top and then this pen icon, here you'll actually be able to edit your site title. Now, I do always recommend that you have a site title because you want to make sure that it shows up in search results here. However, what I actually recommend is you change the setting in Squarespace that adds your site title to the end of every page's SEO title. All you need to do that is if you go to the main dashboard on Squarespace and then click on settings, from there, if you head over to marketing and then SEO appearance, and then finally, this is the SEO appearance for your home, pages, and items. Pages are your pages on your website like this, and then your items are blog posts or products, for example. And when you click on these, you can see that there's these little symbols here. And basically what this means is this is your page's SEO title. There's this little line here, and then this is your site title. So this is the setting that is causing the SEO title that you've added on your page to be longer than you actually think it is and causing this error on SEO Space that might be making you a little bit frustrated. And as you can see, it's the same on the items. This is your items SEO title, little line, and then your website site title. And what I actually recommend is you remove this from Squarespace's settings. The reason why I recommend this is obviously, as you can see, your site title, when that's added at the end of every page's SEO title, it's using up valuable characters that you want to make sure that you can use to ensure that your web pages show up professionally on search engine results page. So I actually recommend that you go through and you remove your site title from the end. Again, just to make sure that you've got all the characters possible. And of course, from there, once you've clicked save, you can go through and either re-audit your Squarespace website or actually refresh this page to make sure the results show on it and then rescan it to get those updated SEO scores. So there you are, guys. Hopefully you found this video helpful and we've debugged the problem that you've been facing around your SEO title length. Of course, if you've got any questions at all, feel free to add a comment below or head to SEO Spaces support. We're more than happy to help. And of course, I'll see you in the next video.